Welcome back to the channel, Auto Pulse. Today we're diving into one of the most thrilling naked sport bikes in the game, the 2025 Aprilia Tuono V4. Known for its raw power, razor-sharp handling, and MotoGP-inspired engineering, the Tuono V4 has always stood at the edge of performance and street-legal insanity. But the 2025 model pushes the envelope even further with updates that make it not just a beast on the road, but a refined, intelligent one. At the heart of the Tuono V4 is that legendary 1077cc V4 engine. This motor is nothing short of a masterpiece, delivering around 175 horsepower with a sound that screams pure Italian aggression. The power delivery is immediate, responsive, and linear, making it equally thrilling whether you're blasting through canyon roads or ripping down the back straight of a track. What makes this engine so special isn't just the power, but the character. It's smooth, high-revving, and musical, making every twist of the throttle feel like an event. Aprilia has fine-tuned the electronics package to make sure the Tuono V4 remains manageable, no matter how hard you push it. The 2025 version comes equipped with the latest APRC, Aprilia Performance Ride Control system. This includes cornering ABS, multi-level traction control, wheelie control, launch control, engine braking control, and cruise control. And yes, it's all adjustable through a full-color TFT display that's intuitive and easy to navigate, whether you're setting it up at a red light or in the pit lane. The chassis is where the Tuono really shines. Aprilia has retained its aluminum twin spar frame, which has long been praised for its balance between stiffness and feedback. For 2025, suspension duties are handled by electronically adjustable Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 units. These adapt in real time to road conditions, giving you both comfort and razor-sharp dynamics when needed. The result is a bike that feels alive underneath you, communicating every nuance of the road while remaining rock-solid at speed. Braking is just as serious as everything else on this machine. Brembo-style calipers paired with dual 330mm discs up front deliver massive stopping power with precise modulation. Whether you're trail braking into a corner or scrubbing off speed in a panic stop, the brakes are confidence-inspiring and consistent. Ergonomically, the 2025 Tuono V4 has been tweaked to enhance long-distance comfort without compromising its sporty feel. The seat is more padded than before, the tank is reshaped for better grip with your knees, and the handlebar position offers a good balance between aggression and comfort. This means you can do a full day's ride without feeling like you've been through a workout, yet still attack corners with full control when the road demands it. The design remains unmistakably Aprilia. Sharp lines, aerodynamic winglets, aggressive LED lighting, and a compact tail section all add to its race-bred identity. New for 2025 are updated graphics and a stealthy matte color option that gives it a futuristic edge. It's the kind of bike that turns heads even when it's parked. On the tech front, Aprilia has added smartphone connectivity via the MIA system, allowing you to manage navigation, calls, and media through the TFT screen. There's also a USB port for charging, and the bike supports keyless ignition, small touches that make everyday use just a bit more convenient. While it's a premium machine with a price tag to match, the value is undeniable when you consider the level of engineering and equipment packed into the Tuono V4. Whether you're a seasoned track junkie or a passionate street rider who wants the very best, this bike delivers a riding experience that few others can match. To sum it up, the 2025 Aprilia Tuono V4 continues its legacy as a high-performance street fighter that blurs the lines between superbike and naked bike. It's fast, smart, incredibly well built, and loaded with soul. It's not just a motorcycle, it's an adrenaline machine sculpted in metal and carbon. If you want to feel connected to every twist of the throttle, every apex of the road, and every beat of your heart while riding, this is the bike to do it on. Thanks for watching Auto Pulse. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2025 Aprilia Tuono V4, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop your thoughts in the comments. What do you think of Aprilia's latest monster? I'll see you in the next video. Ride safe.